Hello, this is Mark from Boocar.co.uk with a video introduction to our smart 4.4 1 litre Passion. Now, as you can see, this is a 68 plate car, registered new in September 2018, and in that time it's covered a mere 8,000 miles from new. Yes, that's all it's covered, a mere 8,000 miles in its time. The car's been serviced accordingly and it is absolutely beautiful. It's presented absolutely beautifully, so which is one of the reasons why we've chosen this car for stock. As I say, we do cherry pick our cars. We're not what we call spreadsheet motors. All our cars are literally cherry picked before they're offered for sale and all go through our standard processes. So there's a quick walk around of the car just so you can see for yourself. Now, the car comes with something called a grey tritium. Now, the grey tritium, this is what's called the tritium. This is actual structural part of the car, roof and the seals and the main frame of the car. That's the crash, the safety cell. And the standard panels on the car, these blue panels, are actually interchangeable on smart cars. I've never seen anyone interchange them, but they are interchangeable. That was the concept of the car when they were new. You could, if you wanted to change the colour of your car, you could change the colour of the panels. Very expensive thing to do. I've never seen anyone do it, and I really don't know why you would. But so if you check online, the car will actually come up as grey because that's the structural part of the car. Because these panels, in theory, could be changed. So the panels on this car are this absolutely beautiful pearl blue. This is quite a rare colour on these smarts. Most of the smarts we've had tend to have a black tritium and the lava orange panels, and you've really got to want an orange car to drive around in an orange car. And the orange and black does look a bit clashy, whereas I think this mercury grey metallic with these beautiful blue pearl metallic is a fantastic colour scheme. So the paintwork on the car is absolutely immaculate. It's one of the reasons we chose the car. Not only its low mileage, but its general condition. There's no scrapes, scuffs or scratches on the car anywhere, no dents. The paintwork's been through our standard process, so it has all been clay barred. It's then been machine polished to remove all those surface scratches and that haze that the hand car washers put on the car. They use these wash mitts. It puts these tiny scratches in. It takes the glimmer off your paintwork. It's not until you see one polished panel to panel that you actually see the difference. It's quite amazing, but it's been through that process, and then it's all got a paint sealant put on it, so the paintwork is absolutely beautiful and feels as good as it looks. Your hand just glides off it. It's like glass. So wheels on the car, absolutely perfect. So there's your alloy wheels. Not one of the wheels has been marked anywhere. There's no curb damage on any of them at all, or no corrosion. They're absolutely perfect, just as they left the factory, and they're sitting on a nice set of matching Michelin tyres. So I'll just show you the wheels there so you can see for yourself. So say the paintwork, bodywork of the car is beautiful. Spec of the car is fantastic. It's a Passion. It's got all the gloss black grille, which really sets off that paint. Now, what I do, I'll just give you a quick look inside and then I'll summarise. Okay, so here we go. Here's a quick look inside the car. Absolutely spotless clean in here. The seats and the carpets on this car are absolutely perfect. All the dashboard, plastics, etc., all absolutely perfect. The car looks like it's just come out of the showroom. It's absolutely immaculate. It really is. Absolutely beautiful. There's your stereo. That's obviously Bluetooth. You've got climate control in here, being a Passion model, automatic climate control. Just give you a quick look at the mileage there, 8277. That's the mileage on the car from new, a mere 8277. So a multifunction steering wheel. There's your speed limiter, etc., all on there, and you can control all your stereo and your phone functions on there as well. There's your telephone buttons, etc., all on there. So you can see, have a quick look at those seats, those carpets, everything is absolutely perfect in the car. And what I will show you on here, on the radio, not only have you got the USB here, you also got this quite funky feature. This pulls off here. You can actually buy a gadget that fits in there and holds your smartphone, and it basically puts your smartphone in front of you there, so you can use it as a screen for your sat nav, etc., and it all integrates with your radio. That's an option you can buy from Mercedes. You go to Mercedes and they sell it in the parts department. You don't need it. You can just Bluetooth stream all your music, etc., anyway, so you don't need it, but it's a nice gadget if you want your phone sitting there and utilise the screen at the same time. So I'll give you a shot of the back seats now. It's amazing in a car this size. It's a 4-door car with 4 seats. It really is. So, okay, here's your back seats. As you see, they're in the same condition as the front. Absolutely perfect. Spotless clean carpets, all the plastics, etc., all lovely. Stowage box in the middle. Now this stowage box actually removes. You can actually lift this box out, and then these seats flip. And when these seats flip over, it then allows you to fold these back seats down, and you've literally got a van. You can literally turn this car into a van. The front passenger seat there also folds flat, so you've got this massive load area, and you'll be surprised what you can carry in these. They're really, really big when they're all folded down. What I'll do, I'll actually fold the seats and put some photographs of the folded seats on the website, so you can see in its seat folded mode and how much volume you've got in there. So here's the standard boot. So your engine in this is at the back here. As you know, this is a 1 litre engine. This is a non-turbocharged car, which is a good thing of a Smart. Still produces 71 horsepower. And the amazing thing about these cars is the MPG. I mean, the MPG on these cars is absolutely fantastic. You're looking at an average of 67 miles per gallon on these cars as combined, 58 round town, 75 on a motorway. I mean, with that kind of range, I don't know why anybody would buy an electric car. If you wanted to buy one of these Smart cars new, you're out of luck, because they're not making them at the moment. They're only making an electric version. The electric version is £24,000. Yes, you heard that right, £24,000. And you can't even buy it as a waiting list. It's only got a 55-mile range on it, and that's a claimed range, not the actual range. So another quick shot of that boot, just to see how clean that is. It's all so nice. This car is absolutely beautiful. So why on earth, when you can buy the petrol model and get nearly 60 to the gallon round town with a combined of 67, I don't know why you'd ever spend all that money on an electric one. I really don't. With the convenience and the high MPG out of one of these, it really doesn't make sense. So there's the back from the passenger side, and I'll show you a view of the car from the passenger seat as well, just so you can see. It's very difficult to show on these videos, but especially in this, the sun's quite bright and quite low in the sky today, it's very difficult to show you just how clean and how beautiful this car is. But it is absolutely stunning. You've got this little pull-out drawer here as well. So there you go, there's the Smart. I mean, this is a Group 2 insurance car. It's the lowest road tax as well. Say combined 67 mpg, 58 round town, 75 on the motorway. It's only covered 8,000 miles from new. It's an AA history checked and AA approved vehicle, so you've got no problems there. The car is fully backed by the AA. It comes with 12 months MOT. As it is an AA approved car, it will also come with 12 months AA roadside assistance and breakdown cover. And we also put a 6-month warranty on the car. So there you go, it's got both its keys, all its books, and it's absolutely perfect. This car is ready to roll. Give us a call, 01702 470 457. Have a look at our website, www.Boocar.co.uk. As I say, I don't think you'll get a car much cheaper than this to run, especially not with 4 seats and 5 doors like this. Absolutely fantastic. Passion model, so you've got everything you need on this car with a climate control, nice set of alloys, beautiful little car, really is. If you want finance, have a look at our website. We've got access to over 30 lenders on our website, all via the click of a mouse. We've got another great function in there called a soft search function. You can put a few basic details in there, just name, address and date of birth, and it will do your credit check, tell you how much you can borrow and at what rates. That's a fantastic function because it is a soft search. Now, soft search won't show on your credit record, so you can do it as many times as you want without showing on your credit file. So if you want to go ahead with the finance, put the next few basic details on the following page. Within an hour, it'll all be approved and done. If you don't want to do that, give me a call. I'll do it all for you. If you don't want finance, no problem. We'll sell you the car anyway. And have a look at our website, www.Boocar.co.uk, where we've got plenty of images of the car alongside the video, along with the full specifications. All the official MPGs, etc. for the car will all be on there, alongside things like the sizes and volumes, etc. of the vehicle, just in case you've got any questions on that. If you've got any other questions at all, please do not hesitate to call me on the phone number 01702 470 457. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. If you would like to make an appointment to come and view or drive the car, again, please do not hesitate to call me 01702 470 457. I thank you for your time watching the video. I hope this car is the car that suits you. I don't think it's going to hang around long. If you're looking for a Smart 4.4, then surely this is the car for you. I've never been a better time to buy one of these. They make so much sense at the moment with a crazy new car market, and the high MPG, etc. of this car just makes so much sense. So give me a call if you'd like to come and view it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.